Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix error code 529 in Roblox mobile. So if you are getting this error, then you can easily fix this error. Just follow me in this video till the end and your problem will be fixed. So first of all, if you're getting this error, it could be there could be a bug in or your app version. So you can do one thing here. Just go to this three dots and you just need to click on this. Sorry, you just have to click on this logout button, and after logging out, you have to log in again and see if the error is fixed or not. If after login or log out your problem is stay, then you can do one more thing here. It could be due to your mobile problem, so you can do one thing. You have to press the power hold the power button, and you will see the reboot option here. Just click on reboot to reboot your phone and your problem will be fixed. If your problem stays, then you can do one more thing here, that is to just minimize the app. And yeah, now you have to go to settings and look for apps, look for manage app, click on manage app, and now search for Roblox. You will find the app here. Click on storage, and now there is option called at the bottom is clear data. So you can see it has around 500, it has around 500 uh, 500 MB cache file. So you can click on clear all data and just select the clear cache. So it will delete all the unnecessary file on this app, and when you click on this, and it will clear all the cache file of this, which is making your app slow. And yeah, after doing this and open the Roblox app, if the problem persists, then guys, you can do one more thing to confirm if it is a server error or not. So usually Roblox server could be down, so you can do to confirm it, just open the Twitter and search for Roblox. So you will find the official page of Roblox. If there is server down, there will be message for all the users. So it's better to know if there is a server user, and it will save your time. So there could be server problem. So usually many users play at once could make the Roblox server down. So in that case, this problem can be this problem can be persist. So in that case, you have to wait for the server to be resolved, and after this, if the problem persists, guys, you can write the mail or report. You can click on the help section and write your problem here. You can click on help and you can search related to the problem. If I type here uh, error code error 529. So you can find a relevant article, and if you find any relevant article, then look for it. Or you can one more thing here, you can mail it to its official website or official mail. And usually this error usually due to the server down, or there could be any bug on your app. So after applying all this operation, your problem must be resolved. If the problem persists, guys, you really need to do something else instead of these fixes. So but after applying all these methods, your problem must be solved. So I think that's These are the enough solution to fix your problem, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.